Hello guys, how are you? I am back with another part of Earn Money Online in Pakistan. This is the part 2 and we discuss in this part digital marketing and blogging and academic writing. Blogging. Blogging is the best way to earn money online in Pakistan for students. You can start your blog or you can write for a different website. It depends on you how you want to earn money. If you plan to start your blog, then you should have good writing skills. You can write different blogs, like it can be a news related blogs or a product service review or celebrity blog. You can write anything you want, but don't try to copy others' work. If you want a blog site, then you can go to WordPress and create your blog. You need Google AdSense to put up ads on your blog and start earning. You will earn money after 5 to 6 months, so be patient. With the increase in traffic on your blog, you will start earning money online. Just open the WordPress website and sign up to create your blog. Just write on a topic of your interest. It depends on how you market your blog. If people like your blog, then they will visit and read your blogs. There are many websites you can write a blog for. Number one, Hub Pages. Number two, Squideo. Number three, About. And number four, eHow. Digital marketing. With the advancement in technology and in influx of different social media apps, digital marketing become common in Pakistan. Digital marketing is a term that includes advertising, promoting, and create online presence of business through different digital platforms. Digital marketing includes websites, social media, and various other platforms. Now you will be thinking that how to earn money through digital marketing. It's not that difficult, but it takes time to earn good money through digital marketing. You should be aware of some necessary things. If you are planning to open a digital market agency, must have relevant skill if you want to open a digital market agency. Number two, you should know about advertising on different social platforms. Number three, approach some brands and try to convince them. If they are agree that you can advertise their brand on social media, that congrats, you can start earning money. Academy writing. Academic writing. Yes, academic writing is also one of the way you earn money online in Pakistan. Do you know that students all over the world hire people to work on their assignments and thesis projects? But the question is how to get academic writing work and how to earn money from it. You can get academic work from the freelance website mentioned earlier in the article. As many people from the UK, USA, and people from the Middle East pay people to complete their assignments or pay to write an essay on a certain topic. Academic writing work is good for students because they learn new things and get paid for it. Data entry. In Pakistan you can get a lot of data entry jobs. Data entry jobs is the best way to earn money online in Pakistan. You just need to have basic computer skill. For this job it is a time taking the job. To get data entry you can use freelance Upwork and some other websites. You can also look in your social circle for a person who is doing data entry work. Data entry job is best for students in Pakistan. Bye bye, take care. We will meet in next video with the third part. Bye bye.